Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can change your Wish account password. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, you'll have to open a web browser on your PC. Now on the top search bar, type www.wishwish.com. After you press the enter key, you'll be led to the official website of Wish. Here, you'll have to make sure that you're already logged into your account. Now, since we're on the home page, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see an icon with your first name initial. Click on that icon and you'll be led to your profile. Here on the right side of your screen, you'll be able to see Edit Profile button. Click on it and you'll be led to the account settings. On this page, if you scroll downwards, just below the email section, you'll be able to see the password section. Here, all you'll have to do is enter your old password and just below that, enter a new password that you'd like to change into. Then, on the confirm new password section, you'll have to repeat the same password that you just created above. Finally, all you'll have to do is click on the change password button. And now your password has been successfully changed on Wish. So it is that easy to change Wish account password, and if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.